Hi, this is Alan Wright, founder of Zephyr Adventures. I'm here to talk to you about our newest adventure location, a northern Mexico ranch and hiking tour. I am really excited about this. In fact, this is the #1 tour I'm looking forward to in 2022 that I will be guiding. However, interestingly, we just did a survey of our travelers asking about our various new locations, and this one was rated by far the least appealing for its location. People like the activities, the time of year, the pricing was okay, but people were not enthusiastic about this. So I thought I would get on this video and give you a few reasons and show you some photos and explain why I think this is going to be an amazing trip. The trip is running March 29th through April 3rd. Yeah, that's correct. And we are going to be visiting a ranch that has 30,000 acres. So that's like a mini national park on its own. It's located at the base of the Sierra Madre Mountains, which are sort of the southern extension of the Rockies. And it's at the crossroads of two deserts, the Sonoran and the Chihuahuan deserts. The location is only 55 miles south of the U.S. border. So it's really right up there next to the border. And it's a short shuttle from the airport in Tucson, and we take a direct private shuttle along a major highway to get to the property, and then a somewhat bumpy road to get into the actual hacienda. So I'm quite comfortable with this. This is a working ranch, but it's also a guest ranch, so they do have visitors from the United States frequently, and it's a safe location. I can easily recommend to you. Couple of reasons I like it is because of the beauty there. We have the desert, we have the mountains, we have the open spaces, but also the activities. The two main activities at the ranch are hiking and horseback riding. But you can also do mountain biking. You can take Jeep tours to go see the property. You can go canyoneering. We do bird watching or wildlife watching. And in the evening, we can do a tortilla making class or have a campfire and look out and watch the stars. And speaking of the stars, this is an isolated property. So one of the major reasons I am really looking forward to this is that we will be out there without any city lights. These should be the best stars you've ever seen in your life. It's also essentially all for us. All the ranch staff will be there, but there are only 5 casitas, and we have them all reserved for our group. So it's not going to be a large group, but it should be outstanding. So for some vacation coming up soon that is fun and active and with a good group of people, I hope you will consider joining me in northern Mexico at this ranch vacation.